Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see CapCut PC tutorial. I'll show you guys zoom in and zoom out how to do it. You just need to open up CapCut and import the media you want and then drag and drop over here in the timeline and then click on the video and just drag this pointer where you want to start the zoom and then select this option next to transform this option like add keyframe and then here is the starting point where you want to zoom in and I'm gonna zoom in straight in here like this space will be zoomed in to zoom in just do like this scale it's gonna be zoom in guys as you can see now I show you guys the zoom out just select the point where you want to start the zoom out and then select this option add keyframe next to transform and the keyframe has been added. After adding it, now place the point where you want to fully zoomed out. This is the starting point where it start zooming out and this is the point we are going to keep full screen. To make that, you just need to scale set it to 100 and then just drag it to the perfect position and now it will zoom in and it started zoom out in this position. And that's how it works. To delete these keyframes you just need to select the keyframe and then uncheck this option guys, delete keyframe option, and now the uh, keyframe has been removed. As you can see, keyframe has been removed and it started getting zoomed out in this position. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.